Can I open something awesome from one of these 3 packs of Lost Origins? My card that I really want to get is the Giratina. Let's see if I can find it. Shh. Ooh, there's something there. Ooh, there's something there. There's something. It's probably just like a V card or something. It is a Gudra V. Yeah, I have pulled several of these. Not a bad looking card, but definitely not what we're going for. That definitely means I need to open another pack. I just grabbed a few packs from Walmart because we don't have a lot of stores around here. Everything I pretty much have to order in or go to the city to grab. A foil or a reverse hollow and a regular non-hollow. Oh, come on. We can't end on that. I'm not even sure what other ones I'm still looking for in this set. I'm not trying to complete it because there's no way I'll be able to. But I would love to find that Giratina. Because there's no way I'm gonna buy that card. Maybe trade for it if I had enough to trade. Oh, come on. Well, you win some, you lose some, I guess. That's the best card of the lot. Let me know what your favorite Lost Origin card is or your favorite card from the Sword and Shield era. Have a great day. Bye.